Welcome to Octavia Beauty, and this is Octavia. If you guys want some strong, healthy, full, thick, keep your natural pigmentation to your hair, you want your hair to grow, healthy scalp, yes, all of those good things, then this video is for you, because we are about to go over my 5 favorite oils that you need in your routine, and they're going to do just that. They're going to promote thickness, they're going to help you have healthy scalp, they're going to promote growth, they're going to help you keep your moisture in your hair. These oils are going to do all of those things. So if you need all of those things, then you need to stay around and you need to see my 5 favorite hair oils. Okay, now let's get into hair oil video. Okay guys, so my first hair oil is going to be the organic extra virgin olive oil. Now the extra virgin olive oil, and this is organic, is one of the highest, it's the highest quality of olive oil that you can buy. And you can't, I don't know if y'all can see in this, but mine is almost gone because I ran out of olive oil in the kitchen. So since I don't use mine straight out of the bottle onto my hair, I pour it into other containers. I ran up here, I took it down to the kitchen, we cook with it, we bring it back up here, we use it on the hair, we do everything with the extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to give you guys some benefits, the benefits of using extra virgin olive oil. It doesn't have to be organic, but however mine is in your hair. So incorporating olive oil into your hair regimen can seal in your moisture. So after you wash it and put your leave-in conditioner, this can seal in the moisture. It can seal in moisture into the hair fibers, which helps elasticity and results in less breakage. So this is just going to help seal in your moisture that you have in your hair. It's going to prevent those split ends. It's going to prevent your hair from splitting at the same rate it's growing, so you guys can maintain your length. So that, to me, I feel like extra virgin olive oil is just one of those oils that, you know, I mixed into my oils and I love to use it in my hair. It's just one of those go-to oils. You can use this oil on its own or in combination with other oils, or, you know, just however you want to use it. But it's just one of my go-to oils that, you know, I have to have and my hair routine, in my oils treatments. Like, I just need that in there. Okay guys, so my next product is the Amala oil. This isn't in its original container. I took it out. I'm scared to use it all up, but guys, the Amala oil is like one of my favorite oils. I love to use this. I will sometimes just pre-poo with this on its own, is mostly how I use, because I rinsed it out. But I do put a little bit in my hair growth oil. But however, I love to pre-poo with this. If you guys don't know what pre-pooing is like when you apply oil to your hair, you let it sit. You can apply it with heat or no heat while your hair is dirty before you wash, and it aids in detangling and just give your hair more benefits. And if you never pre-poo your hair with some oils, let it sit for an hour and see how smoother that wash goes. See how smoother it is going to be to detangle your hair. But also, Amala oil has some great benefits on its own. Besides all of that, Amala oil strengthens your hair strands from the root to tip and gives your hair thick, long, makes your hair thick, long, and shiny. And Amala oil also keeps your natural pigment to your hair. So if you are wanting to prevent graying, loss of pigmentation to your hair, you know, if your family gray early, the Amala oil is going to promote growth. You're going to feel some new strands of hair growing, and it's going to also prevent the loss of pigmentation in your hair. And as we ladies, or anybody, ladies, gentlemen, as we get older, the pigmentation of our hair color starts to change. It's just natural. It's just what happens. But this right here is going to help prevent that. It's going to promote new hair growth. It's going to help your hair stay thick, long, shiny, and prevent breakage along the way. Amala oil is just one of those oils that you just need in your routine. You need to pre-poo with this oil. It is great for your hair. I mean, I remember I was using this. I just love it. I was scared to use it all up because I wasn't ready to repurchase. But I was using this oil like a lot, like every time I washed my hair, and I just saw just such a difference in my hair. And I know that you will also. So I purchased my Amala oil from Amazon. Matter of fact, I think I purchased all of my oils on Amazon. But I know you can definitely get the Amala oil on Amazon. It's not that expensive. It is $11 for a full size. Yeah, it's $11 for a full size bottle. So make sure you want to incorporate, do some olive oil, some olive oil in your hair care routine. Pre-poo it, put it on your hair. You could put it on there with a hot head, let it sit for an hour, wash your hair, finish your normal routine. Another favorite of mine is Jamaican black castor oil. It doesn't have to be this brand, but you need the Jamaican black castor oil in your hair routine because it's going to help your hair. If you have damaged hair, you need the Jamaican black castor oil in your routine. It will moisturize your hair. It's going to promote growth. It's going to strengthen, and it's going to help growth. It's going to increase those blood flow to your scalp, supplying valuable nutrients to your hair and hair follicles. Jamaican black castor oil prevents dandruff, eczema, and dry, itchy scalp. So if you do not have the Jamaican black castor oil, it's definitely going to promote growth. It's going to promote a healthy scalp. It's going to prevent breakage. It's going to just prevent a lot of those things. It's going to moisturize your hair. It does a lot. So if you don't incorporate Jamaican black castor oil into your natural hair routine, you definitely need to, especially if you have issues with dandruff or with curly hair. I mean, just like, you just need this. This is like a staple. These are all oils that are staples in my hair oil that will never change. If I didn't have any other oils besides these oils, I would mix these oils up together and create a hair oil mix, because all of these oils are going to have benefits that you absolutely need, and it's going to be healthy for your hair. It's going to be healthy for your scalp. You're going to enjoy your hair a lot more. You're going to start seeing that growth. You're going to maintain that length, and you're just going to maintain that fullness and that growth of your hair. You're gonna enjoy these oils. Trust me, you need them in your routine. Next we have argan oil, and mine is an organic argan oil. I think this argan oil was one of the first oils that I purchased for my hair. You guys can't see it, but it is an argan oil. It's one of the first oils that I purchased for my hair, and I have absolutely enjoyed it and just loved it. And it has some really great benefits as well as all of the other oils. So the argan oil is rich in vitamin E. It's going to help reduce frizz. It's going to help reduce dryness. It's going to support and strengthen your hair follicles. It's also going to promote cell production, promote healthy scalp. It promotes hair growth. It helps your hair to get thick and healthy. So argan oil is just one of those oils. When you mention argan oils and Jamaican black castor oil and olive oil, these are like the normal oils that you need in your hair routine. These are oils that are known in the hair community that's going to help your hair grow and just look beautiful and look thick and luscious. It's going to give you that hair strength, that healthy scalp. It's going to give you all the things that you need for your hair to thrive. And like, those are just classic oils that everybody uses, that everybody has in their routine. So when you mention these oils that we're talking about today, they are just, you know, just known oils to help your hair and just to strengthen it. If you want your hair to be strong and growth and just healthy, you need these oils in your routine. Last but not least, I have the Tropical Owl Living Strong Roots Red Pimento Hair Growth Oil. You can purchase this from their website or from Amazon. Now, this is the last oil that we're talking about today, but it's absolutely and no least at all. These oils were not listed in an order. I love this oil as much as I love those oils, and this oil has some great benefits just like those do. This oil also contains the Jamaican black castor oil already in it. I can tell you guys how I use this. I did put it in my hair growth oil, but also like when I get my hair ready for night, I will go in through sections and massage this into my scalp and just let it sit in overnight. Wake up the next morning and I refresh my hair. So just other ways you can do the same thing with the argan oil, Jamaican black castor oil, but you know, you can also pre-poo with this and mix it in your oil mix. So just other ways to use these oils than just, you know, one way. The benefits of this is gonna reduce frizz, breakage, restoring your hair's natural moisture and improving circulation to scalp. It also been proven to slow signs of aging effects and graying. So this is also going to prevent your hair from graying. It's going to help you keep that natural pigmentation to your hair. And you know, it contains the Jamaican black castor oil, which helps softens your hair and give you that shine, and it promotes growth. So this oil also promotes growth. So you guys, there we have it. My 5 oils. We have the organic olive oil, we had the Jamaican black castor oil, we had the argan oil, we had the amala oil, and we had the strong roots red pimento hair growth oil. All of these oils are going to promote scalp healthy. It's going to promote growth, it's going to promote shine, it's going to promote strength, and it's going to help you maintain natural thick hair, keep your natural pigmentation to your hair, keep your scalp healthy. So these are just 5 oils that if you do not have in your collection, you need to add to your collection. You need to incorporate those into your normal hair care routine. So I hope this helped you guys, and you know, I'm going to talk to you guys later. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, share this video with your friends and your family, follow me on my Instagram, and I'm going to holler at you guys later. Bye.